Hello everyone, welcome to ABS speaking test today. Let's get started. Hello.
Hello teacher.
Could you introduce yourself?
My name is Lina. I'm 10 years old. My school name is VIểT. My favorite toy is baby tree.
What activities do you like? What do you like playing? What sport do you like? Do you like soccer?
I like dance sport.
Okay, very good. So what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pancake.
What is the first step to make your favorite food?
First, add the flour, sugar, eggs, and milk into a bowl.
Where is your school bag made?
My school bag made in Vietnam.
Your shoes were made in Italy, aren't they?
No, they aren't. My shoes are made in South Korea.
Okay, good. Look at the two pictures. Can you find two differences between the two pictures?
In picture A, there is a museum, but picture B, there is a hospital. In picture A, the man is playing the violin, but picture B, the man is playing the drum.
Okay. Look at the picture. In picture 1, Daisy and Zoe have a birthday cake, but the cake fallen onto the floor, so they're very unhappy. How about picture 2?
In picture 2, Mom is hit the oven. Daisy is add the flour into the bowl.
How about number 3?
In picture 3, Daisy is whisk the ingredient together. Whisking the ingredient together. Zoo is wash the strawberry.
Okay, how about number 4?
Picture 4. Zoo is cleaning the table and the cake is in the oven.
Okay, how about number 5?
In picture 5, the family is happy and eat the cake together.
Okay, very good. Now, return the portrait. Can you talk about your favorite food and how to make it?
My favorite food is pancake. First, add the milk, sugar, flour, and eggs together. Next, mix the ingredients into a bowl. Then, whisk the ingredients to the bowl. In the bowl, put the mixture Put the mixture in the bowl. After that, remove the pancake from the pan. Finally, put some honey, butter, and lemon on the pancake.
Okay, very good. That's the end of speaking test today. Goodbye.